Welcome to Lesson 1 in Unit 2, Prisms and Pyramids. Let's suppose that you are working at a packaging factory. Your company makes cardboard boxes of different shapes and sizes for packaging and shipping products. One product you package is a little toy figure. Each toy figure is the same size and is packaged in a little cube. You often need to ship more than one toy figure at a time, so you pack the cubes in larger shipping boxes. Over the next few days, we are going to work on determining how many cubes will fit in a shipping box and decide whether there's a way that we can figure this out without actually counting each cube. The first thing that you are going to do is take a look at your grid paper. Your grid paper is going to be 3/4 inch grid paper to fit the one toy figure. We are going to use our snapping cubes to replicate these small figures. Then you are going to draw the pattern on the grid paper. As you can see in number 1, I have drawn the pattern. I know that the pattern has 2 flaps that are 2 by 3 and 2 other flaps that are 2 by 4. Once I have the pattern drawn, then I will cut out the pattern from my graph paper. Next, I will fold up the sides, keeping the one side as the bottom, and then I will tape the edges to make a box. However, I'm going to leave one flap untaped so that I can fit in my cubes. On your student activity book page 1 and 2, you will find 6 problems that you're going to solve to find the number of cubes that fit in a box. We'll use these cubes as the unit of measure to find the volume of the box. For each problem, you'll try to figure out the number of cubes each box will hold without building it. Then you'll use the grid paper to make a box, count out the cubes, fold up the sides, and see how many will fit in. For some boxes, you'll need more than one piece of grid paper to complete the pattern. Before you go on to the next problem, look at your first answer and the actual count. Think about why your first answer wasn't or was close. That way, you'll get better at finding the number of cubes without having to build each box. At this time, grab some grid paper, some scissors, and your activity workbook and begin working on pages 1 and 2. Don't forget to grab some cubes.